Hello everyone and welcome to another AdMaths tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing Form 4 Additional Mathematics, Chapter 11 Index Numbers, Long Question Example 3. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Okay, let me read the question now. The table below shows the price indices of three types of furniture sold by a shop for the year 2005 and 2007 based on the year 2003. The table also shows the number of units sold for each type of the furniture. Okay, as you can see here, this is the type of furniture, the respective price indices for the year 2005, year 2007 based on the year 2003 over here. Okay, and this is the number of units sold respectively. Continue to read the question. Based on the year 2003, the composite indices for the year 2005 and 2007 are 115.5 and 124.5 respectively. Find the value of X and Y. So this is for the question part A. For cupboard, calculate the price index for the year 2007 based on the year 2005. So this is for the question part B. Okay, let us look for the last question, which is the question part C. For the year 2007 to the year 2009, the price for sofa increased by 10%. The price index for cupboard decreased by 5%, while the price index for bed was unchanged. Calculate the composite index for the year 2009 based on the year 2003. Okay, so this is your three question here, guys. Okay, I'm going to discuss the question, the solution of the question. Start from the question part A, question part B, and the last we're going to look at the question part C. Okay, let me turn to the next page for the working. So please hold on for a moment. Okay, let us start. So for question A, part 1, so to find X, so given that the composite index of 2005 based on the year 2003 is equals to 115.5. So this is already given in the question. Okay, but unfortunately the weightage X is not provided in the question. So what we do is we use the composite value 115.5 and then we calculate all the price index and the respective weightage to find the X value over here. So 115.5 equals to 115 times with X plus 120 times with 500 plus 105 times with 200 divide with X plus 700. So how I got X plus 700, which is X plus 500 plus 200. So 500 plus 200 you get is 700. Okay, move on to the next step. So from here, 115.5x plus 80,850. So how you get this? 115.5 you times with x plus 700, guys. So here you get 115.5x plus 80,850 equals to 115x plus 81,000. Okay, moving on to the next step. So from here you get 0.5x is equals to 150. So from here you get your x is equals to 300. So this is your X value, guys. So this is your weightage for the X. Okay, let us proceed to the part 2 question. We are still in the question part A, guys. So to find the Y, so given that the price index of the year 2007 based on 2003 is equals to 124.5. Okay, so 124.5 equals to 125 times with 300 plus 130 times with 500 plus Y times with 200 divide with 1000. So how I get 1000? 300 plus 500 plus 200. So you get 1000 over here. So this is the summation of the weightage, guys. So 124.5 you times with 1000. So from here you get 124,500 equals to 37,500 plus 65,000 plus 200 and Y. Okay, so from here 200Y will be equals to 22,000 And from here you get your y value is equals to 110. Okay, so this is your final answer, guys. So we have already got our x and y value. Okay, let us proceed to the question part B. So for question part B, for cupboard, so given that the price index for the year 2005 based on 2003 is equals to 120, price index of the year 2007 based on the year 2003 is equals to 130. So to find the price index of 2007 based on 2005, so this is the formula we're going to use. So 120, which is the price index of the year 2005 based on 2003, times with price index of 2007 based on 2005, you times with 100 is equals to price index of year 2007 based on 2003. So this is already given, guys, over here. Okay, 120 is already given over here. We need to find this price index of the year 2007 based on 2005. So what you do, 130 you times with 100, and then to get this respective price index, you divide with 120. Okay, so from here, price index of the year 2007 based on 2005 for cupboard will be equals to 108.33. So this will be your final answer, guys. Okay, let us proceed to the question part C, which is the last question. Okay, price index for the year 2009 based on the year 2007 for sofa, cupboard and bed. Okay, so we have already find, since the question they've already give us, sofa is the based on the increment of the 10%, cupboard has a decrement of 5%, and bed is unchanged. So your new price index will be 110 for sofa, 95 for cupboard, and bed is 100. So because bed, their price index is unchanged. So this will be your first step, guys. You need to identify the new price index. Okay, so once you identify this, okay, let us proceed to the next working. Okay, please hold on, guys, for a moment. Okay, for the next step, what we're going to do, we're going to find the price index for the year 2009 based on 2003 for sofa, cupboard and bed. Okay, let us take a look at the working. So for sofa, the working will be price index of the year 2009 based on 2007 times with price index of the year 2007 based on 2003, you divide with 100. So technically this 2007 and 2007 will cancel off. That's how you get your price index of the year 2009 based on year 2003. Okay, so 110 you times with 125, you divide with 100. So from here you get your price index will be 137.5. So this is for the sofa. So this formula is applicable not only for sofa but also for cupboard and bed as well, guys. So for cupboard, 95 times with 130, you divide with 100. So from here you get your price index 123.5. Okay, this is for the cupboard. Okay, let us look at the bed. So for bed, 100 you times with 110, divide with 100. So from here you get your price index is 110. Okay, so this is your step 2, guys. Okay, let us look at the following step. So the next step, what we're going to do is we're going to find the composite index of the year 2009 based on the year 2003. Okay, you have already find all the respective price index, so we're going to use this to find the composite index over here. Okay, so equals to 137.5 times with 300 plus 123.5 times with 500 plus with 110 times with 200, and you divide with the summation of the weightage, which is 300 plus 500 plus 200, which you get your summation over here is 1000. Okay, so you calculate this, you should get your answer 125. So this will be your final answer, guys. Okay, let me put back the question paper for your reference, so please hold on for a moment. Alright, that is all for my step-by-step working and solution for this question, guys. Okay, I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. Thank you everyone for your support, and I will see you in the next video.